How you doing? So, kind of a interesting video. Not really. But, so, first off, now what I do. Dang. First one of the day, and it is 9:25 p.m. I've not even touched none of this today. Should be interesting. Where's my water? Oh, where's my water? Oh, it's right here. Got my cutie drinking water. Says it right on the bottom. Drinking water. There it is. No, that's not all I'm putting in. But, put a big in. Got water in the bottom of my jar. Because I found that the water in the bottom of my jars actually water in the bottom of my jars actually helps to make it where when it's in there for a little bit, it doesn't stick to the jar itself. So, hold on. Oh, shit. I kind of want to apologize for my last video. For me, yelling and getting real aggressive. But at the same time, I don't. I mean, I can't stand when people think that their opinion's always right. Because no one in this world has a correct opinion every time. But I was not so sorry that I could have handled that in a different way, but I still stand by what I said. If you don't like it, don't do it. Well, about the dipping and everything, if you don't like it, don't do it. If you don't like smoking, don't do it. Smoking, I can see, hurts other people more than yourself, just as much as yourself. Dipping, it don't hurt nobody but the person doing it. Just had to get that off my chest a bit. But, yep. This But here's my girlfriend's knife. show you this today because see if I can sharpen it for you in front of you. It's my girl's knife. It's a nice knife. I got it for her, and it has terrible edge on it. I guess it's not as sharp as it was when I gave it to her. But anyway, where's my sharpening stone? Oh, don't tell me I lost that damn thing. Oh shit. Oh, it's right here. Whew. Sorry about that. Heart attack. Well, so today I'm going to show you how to use this. You know, I showed you in one of my other videos when I first got it, but I was just showing you an example. So what you do, it is a wet zone, so you gotta put water on it. You gotta get a different little, gotta get a little container so I can put water in the container. But oh well, get it real nice and wet. Yeah, that's what she said. So what you do, get your stone wet, and it's not terrible. Someone's just gonna use the fine grit, but what you do is put it on at the angle, like see what a thumb stud is, right? Put the thumb stud at the angle of the edge. That'll give you a perfect edge every time. You just slowly do that. Don't put a whole lot of arm muscle into it because you don't let the stone do the work. I mean, like I said, this is a good stone, so it works really well. And you just do that. Then you go to the other side and do the same. The same thing. And damn, started getting a good edge on it. So yeah, the only reason I show you this knife today is because I'm sharpening it, but I like my eyes with an edge on it, and I want my girl to have a sharp knife, so, and she asked me to sharpen it for her anyway, so I'm going to. A little more. A little more for the tip. Then, what you do is just keep going at it like that. Then, once you got your edge, like, where you kind of want it, do it like that. I don't know if there's people out there that, like, there's people out there that are like, oh, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong. The hell I am. My knives get razor sharp. And you do it like this, and my knives get razor sharp every time. I'm talking sharp enough to shave the hair off your arm. And you just do that until you're content with your edge. Just like this, I'm about content with it. Yeah. That was sharp. So, yeah. That's how you sharpen a knife. And, so I'm done with that. Put the knife down. So anyways, that's today's video. Don't really know what else to say. I mean, Oh, you know what? Told you guys I was gonna put this up. So, just go ahead and do that real quick. And my work knife. Gotta keep the work knife sharp. So I got any tape up here? No, I don't. Hold on. So I don't even have my tape with me right now, so that'll have to wait. But I got it cut out, so the next video I have there, that will be on the wall. So yeah, I know this wasn't the most exciting video of any of them, but sorry. I did fix my knife though. You gotta tighten the screw on it real quick. And oh, dang. What the hell? Why not that? Oh my god. Damn. Damn. Oh. What the crud? Never mind. I did have it fixed, but anyways, don't really want to have a boring video, but yes, it is what it is. I might put another one up, but I don't know yet. But see you guys later.